everyone, welcome back to StudyNest. So, do you also want a virtual pet like this? Then make sure you watch until the end because today's video is going to be all about how to get a virtual pet like this. So, to get a virtual pet like this, you have to go to Chrome Web Store. So, let's just go there. Perfect. Now, you have to search for right here. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see Meow the Cat Pet. That's what you're gonna search. It's loading, and yeah, this one. This is the one, Meow the Cat Pet. And then you have to add to Chrome, and then it's gonna be an extension. As you can see right here, you can see it's happiness, hunger, sleepy, and loyalty. So yeah. So how to make it happy, let's see that. So if you want to increase its happiness, you have to put your cursor on it for 2 seconds and it's gonna rub like this, so that's it's gonna increase the happiness, you can see. And then you have to right click and click on feed to make it eat food. It eats many things. Since my cat is very hungry, I have to give a lot of food to this guy. So when you go into this, you see, you have to make sure all of these are full. You have to click on show pet talks, yeah. And then you have walk freely. Walk freely is the one which I suggest, but you can put anything. Then I have put my pet name as Milo, you can see right here. And then I put my name as Rocky, and this is how your pet will call you. And this you can put some reminders if you want your virtual pet to remind you of something. And if you still have any doubts, you can go and click on this tutorial. You can contact them, and these are the mini games from them, and here's how you log in, but that's not actually needed. So here there's this enter this playground. Let me show you what it is. It's a fun place where you can interact with the world's people. So here you can see here, if you go to tutorial, scroll down, then here playground is a game / virtual community where you can see your pet character to play and talk to other Meow players from all over the world. So you can play these two games. These are the two games and they are very fun. And this is like a click to move, you can see. And wherever I'm clicking, it's going there. And this is dig. When you dig, you find coins and stuff like that. And then you can change your avatar by going here, and you can choose Howdy Dog, Meow, Tigri Cat, or Shorty. So also when after you play these games, you get chests. If you win in that, if your team wins in it, or if you win in it, then you get chests, coins, and some goodies. So when you get into your inventory, which is right here, this bag, you click on that, you will find your things. And if you want to log in, you have to be at least 13 years old and you have to read their privacy policy and terms of use. Then you can log in with Google. Now this is the Meow town, and this is where you can go into these places. I'm currently in garden. First, you will be, as soon as you open the playground for the first time, you will be in the sandbox. But I thought it would be fun to have a change, and I went into garden. Okay, then you might get a doubt. You might have earned many coins, and your level is also very good, and you can see your name right here. But when you go to the extension, you're not able to see your coins. Now this is because you are not logged in. If you log into this, then only you can see your coins and all. So yeah, I hope you will have a fun time with your virtual pet. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below if you want more virtual pets like this. Until the next video, goodbye.